Hey, welcome back. So I got something on the mail, and if you know, I've been working on blacking out all the chrome in the car, and one of the things that I believe have been remaining for the exterior blackout was the kidney grill. So I got this on the mail. It came yesterday. I'm really excited to install this new kidney grill. Whenever I have stuff like this one, what I do is I ceramic coat them. So I use this product. It's called Felix. I've been using this for pretty much on all the wheels that I've on. I use this. So what does this do is that when you apply it on a surface like this one, and you can also use it for the entire car. What it does is when you apply it, it's actually protect the layers from dust and grease and everything else. So, and when you're washing it, it just easily get everything that might be on the surface will be easily washed out. Enough of talking. I'm just going to disassemble this and start applying the ceramic coat. This is what I use for ceramic coat. I think it has worked really well for all the products, for everywhere that I applied it, and I really love the finish whenever I use this. So the link is in the description for this, as well as the kidney grills. The link is in the description, so you can get yourself this as well. After applying the ceramic coat on the grill, which you should always do, the next thing we're going to do is to replace it. So to replace this on this car, it's a little bit different compared to the 328, compared to 3 Series, it's a little bit different. So with this one, it's not easy. It's really not easy to get access to these grills without removing the bumper. So we're going to do that, we're going to remove this first, remove this first, remove it, and then we have 6 of these screws. You need a T-30 to remove that. I'm just going to remove all of them. Your hands has to reach that, and then you just have to press and push, press, you pull this side, you press, you pull this side, and you do for all of this, and that should give you this. Now after removing this side is actually easier because you have to use your hands from this side to reach out this one. Don't rush yourself to put the other one already here, and then you just have difficulty removing one side. So once you successfully removed one side, it will give you a better reach on doing the next side. So from here, what I'm going to do is so easy. Just reach out these clips all around, pretty much the same way you remove the other one.